and subscribe! Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Megami noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenator for a discount. This is Myojo Megami Abura Soba. It's like thicker than yakisoba and sloppier. So, is that a type of fish? Sloppier? Oh boy, it's getting kind of close now. I've got to get the children off the bus shortly. It's what they like to call Wacky Wednesday, which means they get a half day of school on Wednesday. No, well, I don't know. It's 2 hours shy of a full day. I say let them do a full day all week long, but I don't think they do that at all. I think Wednesdays they get a shorter day all the way to high school. I don't know. It's so weird. We didn't have all this crap when I was a kid. Back in my day. Anyways, it's November 13th, 2024. And it is cloudy and dark and rainy and kind of breezy. It seems like the rain is kind of tapered off for now, but yeah, I went out, I got the kids on the bus and I went out and I went for my walk, and it wasn't raining so much until I got all the way over to Bothell, and then I was chatting with my wife during her break, and then I'm like, oh, look at this, here's a screenshot of the radar, look what's coming at me. And then on the way back home, yeah, I got freaking soaked. Super soaked. I did see something on the way towards where I turn around. I mentioned yesterday that I believe I mentioned it to you guys. There was a machete just sitting on the trail. And it was there like when I went out. And then an hour or two later, coming back, it was still there. Well, today going by it, there's like a little bridge, and it's going over the little Swamp Creek. That's what it's called, Swamp Creek. Anyways, there's like two places, there's two pipes. And it just dumps like rainwater into Swamp Creek, right? Well, there was a guy down there with a machete in the rain hacking away at all the bramble and blackberry bushes and all sorts of crap. Super thankless, horrible job at this time of year. It was like, now we know who dropped their machete. But the guy was using that machete, but what's kind of lame is he left it on the trail yesterday. It's like, dude, as much as I have disdain for the bicycle people, I walk a lot, so of course I dislike the bicycle people on the trail. It's a thing, I'm sure it's everywhere. It's not personal, but I mean, come on. Anyways, yeah, they could have popped the tire, flown off the trail, and jammed into somebody when they were trying to avoid said machete. So I don't know. But yeah, cloudy, rainy. I forgot the music from the original Diablo 1, and the one when you're in town. And it's really dark and murky music, and part of my walk I go through the forest, so, and it's dark and the trees look all unhappy and it's gray and it's dumping rain, and yeah, pretty rad. Very fitting gloomy music for such a day. And I think tonight we're gonna go to Costco and do that rigmarole. Costco is, I don't know, I want a little bag of chips. They don't have that at Costco. Sorry. They have a bag of chips the size of like a case of beer, I swear. But yeah, when I got back, I looked at my thing and it said I did 8.3 miles. So I did that yesterday too. And I'll do it tomorrow and the next day. These days I take the weekends off, but that is my lady sending me a message. So I will have to investigate that once I'm done. In 2 minutes and 5 seconds, that'll be done. I'm gonna drain it. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl, and I'm gonna like add all the goo and top it with the swizzle, and then it'll spin around, and then I'll say goodbye to you. It's gonna be all right. Yep. So how is the Department of Government Expenditure, which is not a federal agency and is run by Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy? I want to know. We haven't had that yet. I mean, he's not the president yet, but that sounds ridiculous. It sounds, my buddy, the veritably well-known, well-spoken author, Mr. MB, I'll leave him at that because of what I'm about to say. He was saying, no. I mean, he's not a fan, but he's like, no. He'll do better this time. He'll put like a lot of really good, experienced people in there. Yeah. I don't think that's what's going on, dude. I think it's going to be funny. I feel a lot better that he's putting like absolutely horrible people in these jobs who won't get anything done except for waste a lot of money on their office decor, I think. But it's like, let them do that. They're harmless if they're making their office look swanky. I don't know. There's banging outside. I don't know what that is. I just don't know. Well, I hope you're enjoying my cheesy channel. And, yeah. Oh, it's almost done. 7 minutes. I was not expecting this to take 7 minutes, to be quite honest. Usually, that's just not the deal. But it should be interesting to find out. Pardon my French. I should watch that show again. If you've never seen it, you should watch a show called Deadwood. It was on HBO. It's probably not too hard to find. Just don't watch the They came out with a movie a couple years ago. It was horrible. It's like when they started doing Brady Bunch reunion movies. Ugh. Think of that, but with Deadwood. I mean, it was freaking horrible. A little happy music when a character shows up. Anyways. Yeah, we've been watching, what did we watch last night? Hoarders. We're both big fans of watching Hoarders. And there's another one, Dr. Pimple Popper. Oh my god. There was some poor son of a bitch who had like this, I can't remember what it was called, but it was like 2 grapefruit-sized things hanging off of his nose. And it looked like, I couldn't handle it. That's one thing that I don't understand about Dr. Pimple Popper is like these people that have these horrible skin conditions. They go see this lady and she like takes care of them, right? Well, Why do you let it get so bad? Why don't you seek medical attention before it gets so bad? I mean, I guess there's reasons, right? But crikey, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try it like this, and then after we're done, I'll try it with the furikake too. But as you can see, that's a very thick noodle. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Interesting. I can't say I'm thrilled. But it is interesting. I'll definitely have a few more bites before it's all said and done. But I like a thick noodle. I'll say that at the outset. Nothing wrong with a really nice thick noodle. Yes, that's what she said. I heard you thinking that. That's fine. I like the that's what she said thing. Let's do this first. So we're gonna add a little bit of chashu. Been watching, what else have we been watching? Bob's Burgers, their 15th season, and it's still a freaking rad. Really like the, what's her face's sister? She's got a cat named Mr. Business, Mr. Jim Business. Freaking hilarious. Oh, you don't think so? Let's do some egg here too. We're gonna gussy it up, as it were. Oh boy. Yeah. Wow, that is a deep reddish tone. You know what? I really wish the camera would be more kind to tone and brightness, because it's really, what you're seeing is way lighter than what you should be seeing. Like, way, dude, way. Okay, there's that. We're gonna add our, I thawed 2 of them. Which one's dinner? I'll just use this one. I'll put the other one back in the freezer. Oh, that's right. My daughter, last night or this morning, one or the other, she really wants some ramen for dinner. Like, okay. I'll make you some ramen for dinner. Now, I want to use this furikake, like right over here. I'm gonna have to hurry. It's gonna be about time for kids. Kid time, coming home from school. Okay. I don't know what's going on there exactly. What's that? Okay. Let's do it up with a little bit of this. Little bitsies. Little bitsies. Oh. I've got some Momofuku chili crunch. I'm going to add just a skosh to that. Or that to this, rather. Stuff's interesting. Ooh. Wow, that's crazy business right there. Watch it go. Alright, well, I guess that's what you're getting from me for today. So keep it doing things, stuff, deal. And face makes noise. And yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.